The first step to trying to help prevent slab leaks and other water leak issues would be filtration system or softening system installed on the whole house. So basically on the incoming water line to the house in the flower bed or in the garage. That will get rid of all hard mineral deposits that do help cause some of the slab leaks. Some of the other things, unfortunately, are just due to improper installation, due to plumbers not reaming their pipe and chamfering them, so it creates velocitation. Slab leaks are just one of those things that are always going to happen, unfortunately, to somebody on an under-piping system. That is why now most of the houses have PEX overhead. So you don't typically have a slab leak on the water anymore on houses about 2014 or newer. Well, there's a couple different things that happen with a burst water pipe. One, the water could subsurface into the house and start causing damage. Other issues are typically in the middle of the night, somebody's trying to lay down or go to sleep and you start hearing a hissing noise. Sounds like a faucet's on or something's running, but nothing's running in the house. Really, the third indication would be they get a really high water bill. And that's mainly for cold water. If it's a hot water slab leak, their floor would resonate heat. And so typically if you have a cat, it's wherever the cat likes to lay that's not in its normal spot. So if you walk over there and the cat's laying there and the ground's radiating heat, it's because cats and dogs like the heat. So they'll lay on the hot spot, especially in the winter months. Repair is gonna be depending on the type of the system that you have and the type of house. So a 2-story house is more common for tunneling for the repairs, because we do not like to make your house look like Swiss cheese by cutting sheetrock holes all over the place. Unfortunately, on 2-story homes, there's no common walls. Most of the walls downstairs don't line up with a wall upstairs, so it makes it a lot harder to do a reroute. Whereas on a 1-story house, I go from the manifold to the manifold overhead with a new line in the attic, insulated, strapped, and secured. So I'm doing open heart surgery, basically. I'm eliminating the bad artery that's no longer working as it's supposed to, and I'm running a new artery overhead that's gonna supply the body with the water and the pressure that it needs.